Just to keep you up to date, I thought I would show you what they're doing so far. Rent, bags, stuff out of the wall. It is Friday and this is still in my living room. I really want to take a shower soon. Everything's back out into the living room. I'm trying to edit videos and this is what I'm trying to edit videos and this noise is going on because they're working in my apartment. I don't know why the landlords would be foolish enough to start a construction. Oh. Tore out the cabinets, the toilet. They tore back the walls all the way down to the brick. The room looks like this, and everything is covered in dust. And they're without the wall, all the cigarette smell from the neighbors is pouring in. The fan is staying on, but the cigarette smoke is just, there's nothing to stop it from pouring through from the neighbors. So. Well, I came home to an elderly couple mopping the floor. I watched them use their filthy mop water to touch every single thing in this room, in this apartment, effectively making it more dirty than it was before. The water heater and shower parts are in the corner. The whole second bedroom area is just kind of a construction zone. And they hooked up the washer into the kitchen. It takes up a lot of space, but that's what we had talked about as a solution. So they say it's set up and ready to go and works. Well, this is my new setup. Frankly, I like it better than it was, except for this drain having to go into the sink. This is far better than having to go into the other bathroom. The bathroom smell, it was awkward, it was an intrusion on their privacy. This is way better setup, as far as I'm concerned. I'll see if I can talk them into leaving it this way once they finish, which who knows when they'll finish. Anyway, I moved the fridge out here, kind of like the other kitchen. Anyway, it's still behind this wall, but it's like having a bigger kitchen and a more appropriate laundry room. This is better.